Hello and welcome back to All the Gear, Some Idea. Right then, so today I'm on the Kawasaki, just done the fork seals in the hope to solve a vibration. Found the front mudguard had all the rivets were snapped. Not done a video on the ZZR for quite a while now, so I have passed a bike test. I am now on it, just trying to get some decent footage of the bike. It is up for sale, but it's been up for sale for a while. Few people interested. I'm just not happy to let it go with the vibration that I've had on the front. So what I'm going to do today is just run through all of the bits that we've done to the bike so far, and obviously then show you around the bits we've done. Okay, so here is the ZZR, out on it today, as I've already said, just for a ride since the weather's now holding out for a little bit. Little bit of a run through what we've done. So obviously when I bought it, non-runner, we've rebuilt the carbs fully. There's a video to be released on that. We've done spark plugs, air filter, fuel filter, oil change, oil filter. We've also fixed an oil leak that was on this side of the engine round here. That's on the stator casing just here. We've also done front and rear tyres, front wheel bearings, rear wheel bearings, even the bearing that sits in within the cush drive at the back. We've also done a fork rebuild kit that I've already said I've done, and there's probably more I've forgotten about, but here we are doing a video. So yeah, so far everything seems okay on the bike. I'm enjoying it, but I do want something different. So we also have a new fuel pump. The first fuel pump we fitted to it failed within 18 miles. That was for its MOT. Had one advisory MOT, and that was a front mudguard. Now, for a bike that's about 30 years old, I don't think is a bad thing. Handling wise, it's okay. It's an old bike, hence why I'm doing loads of little bits to it. Not everything's been recorded, especially like doing the front forks. It's just really messy, and to have a camera at the same time, bit of a nightmare. So yeah, that's about it really on the ZZR of what we've actually done. Trying to keep out the wind here. There's got to be more I've done that I've forgotten about. Yeah, I've just been enjoying riding it really. The 125 challenge bike. If you want to watch those videos, go ahead and watch them videos. That is not taking a back seat. We're just waiting for Lee at the minute to do his Honda. Hopefully, when I go back, I'm going to come back to this spot again and do something very similar with the 125. As an update, as it is now MOT'd, it's on the road, but you have to go and watch that video to see what we're doing with that. Please do like, subscribe and follow. I know this video has been very brief and short, but we are also trying new camera angles and all that stuff. So yeah, hopefully next time Lee can be within his bobber and we can go over his bobber. I'm just trying to think of anything else I've done to the bike that I haven't mentioned, because it doesn't seem like I've done a lot to it, listening to what I've just said, but it's taken a very long time, since November last year actually, to get it as it is now. Obviously I had to pass my test and all that, so if anyone's got any questions to do with direct access, please do feel free to message and ask any questions that you've got, especially obviously seeing the 125 challenge is obviously learn illegal bikes, and now we're on to something that's like a 600 that is obviously now one step up, not one step up, but we've gone above a CBT on this bit here. So yeah, I'm going to ride home. I'll try and get some footage on the other camera, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.